clack, 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 clack. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Chess and today we are going to be opening July's Glossybox. So here is the Glossybox, and I always make sure that I leave it inside of its over packaging just so I am not aware of anything that is inside of this box, so you can be just as surprised as I am. Also, I just wanted to say quickly, if you can hear any fans whirring or noise in the background, it is because it is so hot in here, even though it is pouring down outside, and that is just typical British weather that I cannot help. Also, the noise in the background might be my kids because it is the weekend when I'm filming this. So let's get into it. So we're going to rip this box open and do it from the back. Okay, so that's what's inside. We have a free trial for tails.com for any of the dog lovers out there. Then we have the standard 65% off HelloFresh. Honestly, you get that in every single box. And then for the actual box, it is just a standard pink box like usual. Oh, the lid came out. So here is the Glossybox. Now opening up, we have the standard black ribbon. So they haven't done anything different for July this time. Now we are just going to tear it to the paper. Okay. This box is so heavy as well. Okay. So here is all the products. The first thing we have got is a eyelash curler, which is very, very different from a normal Glossybox. I've literally never seen them have an eyelash curler in here before. And this is by a brand called So Echo. Planting Project, recyclable packaging, eyelash curler. Okay, let's open it up. This looks really, really cool. Oh, does that look so nice? I love this teal, I think it's called. Love that colour so much. And this is like my regular eyelash colours. It's actually Minnie Mouse that I got from Primark. So to have a backup is always very, very good to have. Gotta break the seal. Oh, that is really, really nice. It's got a really nice squish back, but it's very squeaky. It might just be because it's brand new, but it is. Bit of ASMR for you. Clack, 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 clack. No, it's fine. Yeah, I love the green one. I really like it. So that is a win. Next, we have a face mist, and it's meant to be very hydrating. And this is by the group Groom. I don't know what it means when you have the little smiley face in different languages. I'm pretty sure you're meant to go like high up, but I'm not too sure. So for now it's Grum. And yeah, let's spray this. Smell. Ooh, that actually smells really, really nice. I'm getting citrus, like a fruity smell. Oh, well, that makes sense because it says orange blossom at the bottom. So yeah, that's really nice. I like the smell of that. So it's meant to refresh throughout the day with hydrating orange blossom essence. Helps to revive dull complexions, soothe hot, itchy and sensitized skin. Shake well before use. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, that smells really, really nice. Okay, I like that one. This is the new Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser. Apparently this gently cleanses to remove excess makeup and dirt, and it's clinically proven to increase skin's hydration. I'm going to put some on my hand, but if I actually, you know, undo it. Okay. Oh, it is just a clear gel. It's not actually blue. This is really cool. I can't wait to try this. Next, we have some After Sun, which is always very handy to have. And this is from Feel Free Natural Sun Care, Chamomile Calming After Sun Balm. Okay. And of course, we're going to smell it. Okay, it's a white gel. Oh my god, what is that? It smells like something from my childhood, like a really sweet smell. You know, like when you have one of those sweets, they're like lollies, and you dip them in sugar. I swear it's what that smells like. Oh my god, that smells so good. I can't wait to use that. But you know, I'm pale as a ghost, so we'll see if I actually get some sun in the British weather, because obviously I'm Italian. I get a kind of glowy complexion when I'm out in the sun, but it literally does not take long for it to fade away. Also, I'm very, very sorry if you can keep seeing this. My eye just keeps leaking and it's really, really frustrating. This makeup that I have on is actually from when I did a reel and I got this delivered, and I just thought, hey, I'll just do a video. Okay, I just added a little bit of powder to maybe make it go away, but we'll see how it works out, because at the moment it just looks like a proper white contrast. And the last product that we have is a eyebrow pencil in this really cool packaging. So this is from Luna by Luna. Okay, eyebrow pencil. Okay, let's see it. It looks really thin packaging, so maybe it's like a really thin eyebrow pencil. Oh, okay. It's got a little brush. Brush your eyebrows up. Ooh. Ooh. That is the colour that it has, but it kind of looks... Oh wait, for a second there, it kind of looked a little bit grey. That actually looks like quite a nice eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to use some of that. Ooh, that is actually really good. I like that. I like how thin it is as well. That is going to come in handy. Luna by Luna. Nice. Nice brand. So, these are all the products. I am absolutely obsessed with them. These are all the things that you would definitely need during the sunny weather. But at this rate, I really doubt that we're going to have any. But for other people in different parts of the country, I'm sure you'll enjoy. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with all of these. And now I'm going to go onto the website and see actually how much all of these cost. So I'm just taking the little Scan Me Summer Vibes card, and it's got a QR code on the back. So the new Hydro Booster is actually very, very cheap for what I thought it was going to be. It's $8.99. That is a really, really good deal for something that looks, and I'm guessing will work really, really well with like really hard makeup, but I've got to try it out. Now, the eyebrow pencil is a little bit extreme. This is actually £17, which is just ridiculous because it doesn't look like anything different. It's got a little bit of a brush on the end. That's great, but really? I mean, maybe it's the length of the eyebrow pencil. I don't know, but either way, £17 is a bit much. The After Sun Balm is actually £11.10, which is actually a really good deal because there's quite a lot in here. The last thing that we have is the Hydrating Facial Mist. That is only £8, but I actually think that's alright. That's a good deal, and especially you get a really nice scent about it, so it's always good. So that was all the products in the July glossy box, and I am very, very happy with all of them. I mean, it has not been exactly like a wow thing, but all of the products that we have are very useful, so I'm very glad to actually have them, especially the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, because I am a big fan of Neutrogena. I even use their grapefruit face scrub pretty much every other day of my life, so can't wait to give this a try. So yeah, that was all of the products. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.